What's up, everyone? It's me, Ryder Slasher, here again with another video, and today we're playing another Flood Escape video, episode 12. Let's go. Anyways, we're gonna play this sand, and you guys may saw me from last video. I actually got leveled up, so yeah, I got leveled up, everyone. That means I'm on level 17, actually, not 15. And yes, I didn't record once I actually reached to level 16. Oh well, whatever. That happened in the past. Oh. But go get it. Dang it. I knew that was such a bad idea. Noob! 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 Noob, please friend me. Please, noob, friend me. Friend me. Please, friend me. Please, friend me. I will. Okay, I'm gonna stop being really stupid right now. Anyways. Okay, 3, go. I mean, no, 2. Fine. Go on without me! Hurry up, let's go. You guys have no idea what happens to be in this position. You guys don't know the full power of my skills. Dang it, I didn't get out. Oh well. Dude, get in! Get in! Get in! You're about to die! There you go. Okay, let's do this map. 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 Okay. Ooh. I can't do that. Ah! Ah! Go get it! I'll save the day. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Please, please, please. Come on. Fine. Oh, you already got it. You guys. Okay, come on, come on. Let's go. Before the flood catch up to us. Woo! Getting gooder and gooder by this second. Alright. Yeah. Backflip, 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 backflip. Yeah. Backflip, backflip, backflip. I can't say it anymore. If you say it too many times, it doesn't sound like a word anymore. Backflip, backflip, backflip. Anyways, next level. Oh, you want to bet? Ah, great. Now I'm all wet in Roblox. The hats. Yeah! Yeah, you go get. That's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to have a wire up your sleeve. Ah, you guys are just wasting time. There you go. Now 3, just go get it. Yeah, there you go. Alright. Yeah. Hi there, another noob. Wow, you look pretty. What am I even saying? Fallen! You know, you guys, I love Fallen. Alright, let's be Fallen, everyone. Once again. Aim lock. Just in case. Yeah, look at me, I can push backwards. Hut. Follow me, and also follow me on Fallen. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Hurry! There it is. Yabba dabba doo. Huh. Huh. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Ah, but easy peasy. Alright, we don't need aim lock anymore, and we're gonna choose cave system. Okay, I think these players actually got it this time, so we're just gonna wait. Alright. Yeah. Does this guy have a fidget spinner? Does Nuke have a fidget spinner? This guy, Nuke, I think Nuke does have a fidget spinner. Show me your fidget spinner. Well, show me your fidget spinner. Wait, no, it's something else. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. Okay, fine, I'll go get it. I'm not afraid. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang it! I think no one's actually gonna survive for this. See, I'm on level 17. Right here. So let's just wait. Like this. That's better. Anyways, we're gonna play this one. Again. Alrighty. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I'll go get it. Alright. You're walking backwards, and you know that, right? Alright, let's What? Anyways. Another one of this. Oh, good. Ugh. Another that level again. Come on, mate. Alright. Why was I facing near the camera? That was weird. Don't go right there. Never mind. I wish I could do that. I mean, I know how to do that, but I'm not too sure about that. Ugh. Alright. There we go. When you guys ever jump, that's how it turns on. Oh, no. There we go. Haha. I can mess around again. Yeah. I'll choose this level. There I go. Into the woods. Back to the beginning. Alright, one more level, guys, and I'll be done for today. Everyone, okay? Alright, guys, you gotta get it. Guys, gotta get it. Alright. I don't need this anymore. Just jump. Like a man. Oh, are you dead? Nope, you're not dead. Yeah, there you go. Alright, these players have no idea what I've been through. To be inside you two for the past 3 years. Haha. No! Uh-oh. Fell right inside the hole. Whoa, I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Alright, I made it. Turn down lava. Okay, I'm gonna stop being stupid right now. Anyways. Okay, what's next? Alright, guys. That's it for this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.